Depending on how you are taking this class, you will need to set up virtualization on your lab computer, home PC, or a paid cloud account. This video will cover Hyper-V setup. A second video will cover VirtualBox. And a third option is, again, paid cloud hosting. Paid cloud hosting goes beyond the scope of this course. So, what is virtualization? It's software that allows you to share a portion of a computer's hardware resources to simultaneously run additional operating systems. For Hyper-V, there are some requirements. Your Windows edition must meet either Professional, Enterprise, or Education. You can determine your edition of Windows by using a PowerShell script. Home Edition does not have Hyper-V. If your PC meets the edition requirement, you may install Hyper-V with a PowerShell command. We will now walk through that process. On your Windows computer, right-click the Start menu. Find Windows PowerShell with Admin. Answer yes to the UAC prompt. Now you may type in the PowerShell command get dash Windows edition space dash online. Here I am running Enterprise. This allows for Hyper-V installation. Next, I will type the command enable Windows optional feature a space dash online space dash feature name space Microsoft dash hyper dash v space dash all. Pressing enter will run the installation. It is already installed on mine, so I do not need to hit enter at this time. After your system installs Hyper-V, you may search for it by typing hyper. Your Windows should find and show you the icon for Hyper-V Manager. Launching the Hyper-V Manager, on the left side, click on your PC's name. On the right side, under Actions, click on Virtual Switch Manager. You will begin with just a default switch. For this class, select New Virtual Network Switch. On the right side, click External. Then select Create Virtual Switch. Name the new virtual switch Bridged. Select your internet connection from the drop-down list. You may only have one. Verify external network is selected. Click on OK. I have one created, so I'm going to cancel. You now have Hyper-V set up for this class.